morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we completed textbook and I told you that today we are going to start with English grammar. Yes, do you remember? I told you that we are going to start with English grammar in next period. So the first chapter of our English grammar is the alphabetical order. What is the name of our chapter or what is the name of our lesson? The alphabetical order. Now in this lesson, what we are going to study? Can you guess anything? Can you guess something? What we are going to study in this lesson? Are you thinking about alphabets? I think yes, right? Alphabetical order. Now what is this first word? Alphabet, right? And for front side it is given order. Now what is this alphabet order? The order or the sequence or the writing of letters in sequence or in order is known as alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order means what? Sequence wise we write down letters. Now how many alphabets are there? There are total 26 letters in alphabets. How many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Okay, and in this 26 letters, any letter is written anywhere or what? Any letter we write anywhere? No. How do we write? We write down A, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, did I write or did I wrote Z first? No, I did not write Z first because from nursery onwards you are studying alphabets. In English alphabet, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters are there in English alphabets. Okay, and which are those letters? Those letters are from A to Z. Those letters are from where to where? From A to Z. How many letters are there? 26 letters are there. Okay, and these 26 letters are in one sequence. Correct? One sequence. If I ask you which letter is before D, then immediately you will tell me answer, ma'am, C is before D. If I ask you which letter is after D, then you will tell E is after D. Understood? If I ask you which letter is before O, then you will tell me, ma'am, M is before O. If I ask you which letter is after O, then you will tell me, ma'am, P is after O. Understood? If I ask you which letter is before S, then your answer will be R is before S. And which letter is after S? Immediately you will tell T is after S. For this you will have to learn. Correct? If I will say which letter is after M, then you should immediately, what do you say then? M and O. Then you say after M, N is there, ma'am. Which letter is before M? L letter is before M. Have you understood? So these letters are fixed. Correct? We cannot change sequence of these letters. Can you change sequence of these letters? No. We cannot change sequence of these letters because it is as it is given, we have to write down. You cannot say now, I will start ABCD and write down ABCD with M. M, B, N, C. No. There is a sequence given and you have to follow that sequence. Have you understood? And along with that sequence only we have to write down all letters. And now the name of our letters is, the name of our topic is the alphabetical order. In this alphabetical order, we are going to write down words in the sequence of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I'll give you one example. For example, 1. Now in your text, in your grammar book it is given. Examples are given. For example, 1, 2, 3. 3 is not there. 4. After 4 is 6. Next is 8 and 9. Now if I will tell you to write down these words in alphabetical order, you have studied about alphabetical order in first standard. So in first standard, so in grammar book, alphabetical order is there, correct? And if you want to write down all these words in alphabetical order, now which word will come first? Any cases? Now which from A any word is there? No. Starting letter you have to see, huh? Only starting letter you have to see. You don't have to see any other word. You don't have to see any other letter. Only first starting. A is there anywhere? No. B is there? No. C? No. D? No. E is there? Yes. 8. So our answer will be, first one will be what? 8. Now after E, now this is over, okay? First example is over. Now next example. After F is there? Yes, 4. So next answer will be 4. After that, G, no. H, no. I, no. J, no. K, no. From L also is not there. M, no. From N, yes. 9 word is from N. So here it will become N-I-N-E, 9. Next one, after N, O is there? After N, O, any word is there? Yes, O. O-N-E, 1. Correct. And last is after O, T. Means T-W-O, 2. So our all words are in now, our all words are in alphabetical order. First is E, correct? First is E, after that is F, after F, what is there? N, N, after N, what is there? O, so O, and after O is T. So sequence, first E, F, N, O, T. So what is our answer? Our answer is 8, 4, 9, 1, 2. You have to see only first letters. A, B, C, D. From A to Z, you have to only see first letters. And when you will see first letters, you will be able to write down words in alphabetical order. Have you understood this? Now, look at the following example. We will take another example. Next example is of 2, 3 and 10. Now 2, 3 and 10. Now see what joke is there in this. Now this all, you will say, ma'am, you told us we have to see only first letter. Now here our first letter is also T, here also first letter is T, here also first letter is T. Then what to do? Then we will see second letter. Now T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3 and T-E-N-10. Now first everywhere T is there. So don't take tension of T. We will write down T as it is here. T, T, T. Now after T, we are going to see of second letter. In ABCD, which letter will come first? W will come first, H will come first, or E will come first? W will come, where is W? I have got that also. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, W will come first, W will come first, or H will come first, or E will come first. Which letter will come first? E will come first, right? Because in ABCD, in sequence of ABCD, E is first. So, E will come first. Then after E, which will come? H will come. So, write down H. Understood? And which letter will come last? W. So, W will come over here. And then remaining words, you complete. Now, T-E-N-10, T-H-R-E-E-3 and T-W-O-2. So, this is alphabets, or this letters or these words are in alphabetical order. समझ गए? These words are in which order? These words are in alphabetical order. If the first letter is same, if the first letter is same, then you have to see second letter. If the first letter is same, I'll give you another example. For example, BEG, bag, 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 and BE, not E, I will give some another, BIG, big. Now in this example also, everywhere first letter is what? B, 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 right? So we are going to write the first letter as B, B, and B. Now we are going to see our second letter, now E. I am putting some another symbol, E, A, and I is over here. So now from second letters, which is coming first? A is coming first, right? So we are going to write down A, and what is complete word? It is BAG, bag. Then after A, which letter is coming first? E. So which word will come second? BEG, bake. Understood? And I is coming last. So we are going to write down last example, BIG, bag. Understood? In this way, you should be able to write down words in alphabetical order. Keep in mind, if the first letter is same of all words, पहिला लेटर जर सेम असला तर कोणता लेटर बघायचा? दुसरा लेटर बघायचा. अंडरस्टूड? इफ द फर्स्ट लेटर इज सेम everywhere, then you have to see second letter. If second letter is also same, then you go for third letter. Understood? If the second letter is also same, then you are going to check what? You are going to check third letter. And then in third letter you are going to see sequence of the letters. Letters, which letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood? In this way we are going to learn the alphabetical order, or we have learned the alphabetical order of words. Now I will give you some words for example. Okay? I will give you some words for example. Let us see you will able to do or what? Let us see you will able to do or what. Now arrange the question is given. Arrange the following words. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. In which order? In alphabetical order. Now I am going to give you one example, okay, that you can do our. And in homework I am going to give you 5 examples. Okay, in today's homework you are going to get how many examples? You are going to get 5 examples of alphabetical order, and that alphabetical order examples you are going to solve at home. Okay, now first example is POT, pot. Next one is PIN, pin. PEN, pen. PAN, pan. And last one is PULL, pulley. Now just see. P, in first letter also P is there. In second letter also P is there. In third letter also P is there. In fourth letter also P is there. Yes or no? Everywhere P, in all words P is there or not? Yes, in all words P is there. Now what we are going to do? Now we are going to see second letters. Okay, I will just write down. These all words are written in small letters. So I will write down here letters ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, we want answer of this question. We want answer of this question. Now everywhere P is there. How many P's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write down first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, when I will write down all P's, now we are going to, first letter is what everywhere P. Now I am going to see second letter. Now, which is second letter? Here O is there, I is there, E is there, A is there, and U is there. Now, which are those? O. Second O. Next one is I, E, A, and U. U is right here. Now, in alphabetical order, which letter is coming first? A. So we are going to write down which word? There A is there second, right? So we are going to write down first word T-A-N, tan. Understood? Now which is second letter in this sequence? E. So which word is having E? Ten. So second word will be ten. Understood? Now which letter is third? I. So which word is from I? This word is this letter I. So what is that word? P-I-N, pin. Understood? Next letter is O. So which word is with O? First one. So what is that word? P-O-T, pot. And the last letter in our A to Z alphabetical order is U. So which word is from U? P-U-L-L, food. So this is your answer. Understood? If the first letter is same everywhere, don't take tension, don't get afraid. Write down A to Z. For one or two times, for one or two examples, write down like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Write down like this, and then you find out second letters. Put tick mark everywhere, and then which is coming first, write down that answer first. Which is coming second, write down that second answer. Which is coming third, write down that third answer. Which is coming fourth, write down that fourth answer. Which is coming fifth, write down that fifth answer. In this way, you will get answers of questions. Understood? I will take now another example. Only one example I will take, and then I will give you some examples for homework. Okay? I will give you some examples for homework. Now here it is X. A-X-E, X. Then is apple. And one more is act. Now everywhere what is there? Everywhere what is there? A. So write down A, and A. Okay. Now X. X is where now I will put circle. X. P. There is P. P is there. And the last one is C. Now in these three circles, which circle is coming first? C. So what will be the first word? A-C-T, act. Correct. Which will be the second circle? P, second circle. So what will be second word? Second word will be A-double-P-L-E, apple. Understood? And which is last circle? X. So X word will be the last word in the alphabetical order. I think you have understood. Remaining part of the lesson I will explain you in next period. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you.